Hello, my name is Sam Manuska and I'm a lead project engineer at Emerson. You're probably familiar with Emerson's Ovation turbine control solutions, but did you know that Emerson also offers many complementary services and solutions for our power generation and water wastewater customers? If you're dealing with old or inefficient hydraulic or mechanical equipment, or have lost critical in-house resources and expertise, then we think you'll be interested to learn about Emerson's Turbine Mechanical Solutions team. We provide a full range of capabilities to help you address these issues. Everything from full conversion of older, low-pressure mechanical governor controls to installation of modern, high-pressure hydraulic controls to simple LVDT replacements. And as a main automation contractor, we can help you manage your entire project with full-scope mechanical and electrical installation and commissioning services. Our services support the nuclear, hydro, and fossil power generation markets, as well as water and wastewater treatment facilities. In addition to our extensive experience designing, fabricating, and testing both complete hydraulic and electric actuator systems for large steam turbines, we've also completed hundreds of feed pump turbine control modernizations, turbine protection system upgrades and enhancements, hydro turbine mechanical to electronic governor conversions, and hydraulic actuator rebuilds. To deliver the highest quality, we use the latest in 3D laser scanning technologies to perform as-built site verification, to reverse engineer OEM components, and to execute installation design. And with an eye towards safety, our advanced electronic overspeed protection packages are helping customers around the world avoid personal injuries and costly equipment damage. So the next time you think you're stuck without a choice for turbine control, or that your turbine OEM is your only option for service support, think again. Think about Emerson. If you'd like more information, please visit our website or contact your local Emerson sales representative. Thank you for your time and have a great day.